Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back in another video. So in previous video we have seen the logic of create account. So in this video we will see how we can create a screen for verifying your account. So when our account is successfully created, we need to create a form where we can verify our account, where we need a pin code which has been sent to our email ID, correct? So we will start coding. So this is a folder as you know. So what I will do inside auth, I will create one folder with the name verify account ACCOUNT. I will say Control C and hit enter. Okay, now I will come here and instead of this I will paste it. Enter. Currently I will get of course 404 error, like page is not found and blah blah blah. Okay, 404. Now what I will say, I will come here and I will copy the login, like on the screen of login, and I will paste it in verifier account. I will do paste. Okay, now I have pasted. Now what I need, guys, I need to import exactly what I want. See, this is perfectly imported, this also perfectly imported, but style is not imported perfectly. So what I will do right now, I will remove it and I will say dot dot slash, and I want to import it from login. So this is the correct path of style. Use state is fine, use route is fine, login, like login server, like login function is not fine. It's fine, but we need to implement the exactly what we want to. I will copy this one server one file. Okay, copy file and I will paste it here. Paste. So this is our server file. Now what do I need next? I need to say when. Okay, this is a verify account screen, and okay, first of all let's change some text. Okay, I will come here and I need to change it to verify. Okay, next I will say verify account verify account. Perfect. This is perfectly done. I need your pin code. Okay, I will say here pin code will be forgot password. I don't need. Okay, don't have an account. If by chance someone had came, like who want or basically what I do, I can kept here okay, no, I will not kept. We will kept here don't have an account and they can create an account. Okay, next what I need, I don't need six. I will say placeholder as a 6 dig it pin. Okay, 6 digit pin. This will be type will be number, and I will come here, I will remove password from here. I will say keep it an empty so that I can easily paste, like I can easily get the pin here. I will change the text to verify. Verify. Perfect. I hope it will look cool if I refresh it. Perfect. It's looking fine. Okay, 6 digit pin we need to provide here, so we will get a 6 digit pin code in on our basically email id. Like we need to put it here and we need to click on verify. So next what we need, guys, this is server, like even login function it's wrong. Login function we don't want. We will say account verify function. Account verify function. Okay, here we need pin only. Pin. Okay, one sec. Pin. Now we will come here, we will change this login function to the name verify account verify function. We will send here only pin, and I will change this to pin, and this will be set pin. Okay, now I will come to the bottom, I will say you a value to be pin and set pin. Perfect. Everything looks fine, but I need to send pin here na? So I'm sending pin, and if I come here and I refresh. Perfect. Now next more thing, now we will come to our logic file also, server.js1. I will remove here headers, we don't need anything. Same thing I don't need from here also, but I need to that I need to. Okay, I will come here. Next what I need pin. Okay, so next question is like which API do we need to hit. Okay, so we will show on Hopstock, do we have any API? So you can see verify email. We will come here and what we need, we are not verify success. So this we need, guys, by the way. So how we can do this, we need to send a user id. So what the next, I need this user id, by the way. Okay, So next, how can I get this user id? Okay, currently I will copy this and I will replace it with this. Control V, and I will do format document. Okay, next I will say this pin will be this pin. Okay, pin, and I will copy the path. I will do control V, control Z. Okay, I will paste this path here. Perfect. Now, how the main question is, how can I get here user ID? Because user ID we didn't save anywhere. The next question is how we can do, like how we can save user ID. So I will come here to the login function, and I will come here when I have created account now. Did you remember? We have got it one like file, or what we will do now? We will get this user ID in form of a token. Like I will Okay, in form of a token itself. Okay, cool. This will be a good idea. Okay, now we will send this token. Currently we will say only 25. Okay, so this is what, guys, we have created a screen of like a verify account. Cool. So from next video, we will see how we can redirect the user if user had successfully logged into his account, and if it is not logged in, then we will redirect the user to basically this page, like login page, and this will be a flow in for next video. So that's all in this video, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.